This was a Dover Impulse that was modernized, like GAL or some shit. And then now it's modded again with Adams. Ooh. There's some Dover blue left in here. There's the Dover interlock. This is the newer elevator here at Memorial Union. Those are Dover doors already. This must have been modernized very early on in its life. Those doors just slam right That's a Dover door if I've ever heard one. Very big elevator. There's the original one.